How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 55 Chevrolet Nomad. Gorgeous car. It's an early built car. It's like 834th car done as a Nomad. It's done in its factory Regal turquoise metallic and a white roof. It's had a complete frame off restoration. All the chrome's been re-chromed or replaced. Exception of the rear gate. Paint is super slick. Flat down the sides. All the eyebrow moldings and everything are excellent condition. Got factory tinted glass. Most of the glass is original, exception of the windshield and the door glass. It's all in excellent condition. The rear bumper and all the strips on the gate been re-chromed. The rear upper gate is original. It's got a little bit of age in it, but I tell you what, it's nice. Just nice original stuff. It's got the matching turquoise and ivory interior. And all the panel fitment, everything on this car is very nice. Nicely updated with some US mag Ramblers, 17-inch wheels, new tires. The original motor was replaced with a 327 4-barrel, strong running motor in it. It's got factory power brakes, power steering, very nicely done. Updated with 2-speed electric wipers, nice direct fit aluminum radiator. Okay, this car's got some real nice options for 55. All the jams, all the interior's been redone. And factory, it's got factory power windows. It's got power seat. All the headliner bows and headliners, excellent. Rear seat and everything's all been redone. It's got the Daytona carpet. And the jams are just as slick as the outside of the car. And this is show car quality. All in the tire well looks real nice. We do have the spare to go with it. They did LED taillights in it for better visibility. They did rear speakers done to match. It's got a retro radio that looks factory, but it's got Bluetooth capability and AM/FM. Very nicely done. Clock, everything works. Thing fires right up. Tell you, dude, find a 55 Nomad this nice. It's just a super nice car. Add it to your collection. Cruise it, enjoy it. Sequential LED tail lights, really cool touch. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. I'll tell you, the wheel choice on the car is very nice. Have a great day, folks.